In this video, we are going to solve the examples on exercise 8.1 based on binomial distribution. So let's see the example number 6. A bag consists of 10 balls, each marked with one of the digits 0 to 9. If 4 balls are drawn with replacement from the bag, what is the probability that none is marked with the digit 0? Here total number of balls are given 10, marked with the digits 0 to 9, and 4 balls are drawn from the bag. Then find the probability of none is marked with the digit 0. So here 4 balls are drawn from the bag, that is number of trials is given, that is the value of n is equal to 4. Now we have to find the probability of none is marked with the digit 0. So here consider random variable x as getting a ball with 0 mark. So first consider x as getting a ball with 0 mark. Then we have to find the probability of success. Probability of success means probability of single trial. There are 10 balls in a bag. Then for a single trial, probability of success is 1 upon 10. And we know that the value of q can be found out by using 1 minus p. So 1 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 9 by 10. So we have n is equal to 4, p is equal to 1 by 10 for a single trial, and q is equal to 9 by 10. Then by using the binomial distribution, we can find out the probability of given experiment. So using binomial distribution, x follows the binomial with parameter n and p. Here the value of n is 4 and p is 1 by 10. So using n and p, we can be written as the probability of success, that is probability of x is equal to ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So here we have to find the probability of none is marked with the digit 0. There is no ball with digit 0. So the value of x is none means x is 0. So probability for none is marked with the digit 0, that is x is equal to 0. So probability for x is equal to 0 can be written as 4, here n is 4 and x is 0. Then 4c 0, p means 1 by 10 raised to 0 into 9, q means 9 by 10 raised to 4 minus 0. So calculating this, 4c0 means 1 into 1 by 10 raised to 0 is 1 into 9 by 10 raised to 4 minus 0, that is 9 by 10 raised to 4, and this can be written as 9 by 10 raised to 4, and this is the required answer for the probability of none is marked with the digit 0. So probability for x is equal to 0 is equal to 9 by 10 raised to 4. Now let's see the next example, example number 7. On a multiple choice examination with 3 possible answers for each of the 5 questions, what is the probability that a candidate would get 4 or more correct answers just by guessing? Here multiple choice examination with 3 possible answers for each of the 5 questions, and find the probability that a candidate would get 4 or more correct answers. Now here the total number of questions are 5. So the value of number of trials, that is n, is equal to 5. Now here the random variable x is equal to the correct answers. Correct answers. Because we have to find the probability of 4 or more correct answer. So here we consider x is equal to correct answers. The next term is the probability of success. Probability of success means probability for a single trial. When the possible answers are 3, then the probability of single trial is 1 upon 3. Number of correct answer out of 3 answers. So probability of success is 1 upon 3 and value of Q is 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. This probability is the probability of single trial, and this probability can be found out by using the given 3 possible answers. Out of 3 answers, we get only one correct answer. So we can write probability of success or single trial is equal to 1 by 3. And Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Now here we have n is equal to 5, p is equal to 1 by 3 and q is 2 by 3. So using binomial distribution, we get the probability for x is equal to ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. And here we have to find the probability for 4 or more correct answers. So we have to find the probability for x is equal to 4 or more correct answer. Here total number of questions are 5. So 4 or more answers means probability for x is equal to 4 or more means the maximum number is 5. So the probability for x is equal to 4 or more correct answer means probability for x is equal to 4 or 5. And this probability can be written as probability of x is equal to 4 plus probability of x is equal to 5. And we know that the probability can be found out by using this formula. So for x is equal to 4, we can be written as, this can be written as 4c. Here n is equal to 5. Sorry, n is equal to 5. So we can be written, it can be written as 5c4. P means 1 by 3 raised to x 4, 2 by 3 raised to n minus x, that is 5 minus 4, plus for x is equal to 5, 5c5, 1 by 3 raised to 5 and 2 by 3 raised to 5 minus 5. Now by calculating this, we get 5c4, that is 5 into 1 by 3 raised to 4 and 2 by 3 raised to 1 plus 5c5 is 1, 1 by 3 raised to 5 and 2 by 3 raised to 0 means 1. Now 5 into 2 by 3, that is 2 into 1 by 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 4 plus into 3 raised to 1. By adding the index of 3, we get 1 upon 3 raised to 5 plus 1 into 1 into 1 by 3 raised to 5. Now by taking 1 upon 3 raised to 5 as a common, and the remaining terms are 5 into 2, 10, plus here the remaining term is 1. Then by calculating 1 upon 3 raised to 5 is 1 upon 243 into 10 plus 1, 11, and this can be written as 11 by 243, and this is the required answer for probability of 4 or more correct answer. 4 or more correct answers means 4 or 5 correct answers. So in this way, using the binomial distribution, we can solve these two examples.